Alright. Here we go. Ready to take the head off. Well, piston. Whatever you fucking call this fucking joke box. The fucking cylinder head. Let's readjust that because it is what it is. Fucking Banjo Kazooie bolt. This joint don't want to separate. Gotta get them separated. We ain't got no separation. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Damn. Damn. Oh boy, skin tight, huh? Ah! Come on! Huh. What do we do? Hit it harder? We're getting separated. Hit it with your purse! Come on, you little pussy! Alright. You gonna move it? Damn. Sheesh. Well, I guess why the last guy didn't want to fucking rebuild it. Doesn't look like he tried though, so that's always good. Ooh. How do we do? Without fucking something up. We're definitely gonna fuck something up. Somebody painted, looks like some fucker painted this thing. I don't think that does anything. Oh. It sounded different. What do we got in there? Ah, no crack. No crack, yes. Yet. Ah, the head gasket has separated. Nice. That actually doesn't look bad. Looks like we can reuse the head gasket. Hopefully, we'll try. Oh! Si, senor, si! We has movement, senor. But has you, dumbass, forgotten bolts? I do not think so. Okay. Gotta gently separate it. Da-da-da-da. after bro was fucking beating on it with a hammer. Gotta keep them separated. Alright. Get in there in the tiny mouse angle. That metal chunks. Ah, god damn! I need a metal. I need a motor stand. It's like fucking water got in the head. Ah! God damn! God damn! What does not want to let go? But senor, I have a family. Please, no, please. What can I shove under? Oh, yeah. Senor, no. Okay. We don't want to be prying from there. More hammer. Is this OSHA approved? Shipbox approved. Why does it not want to go? You're too good. Find a new home. Am I missing something? Hold on, wait a second. No, it looks good to me. Is there a power valve or something that I'm fucking missing? These old cocksuckers didn't have those, did they? No, I don't think so. Oh! And we're there, boys! Yee-hoo! Oh. Well, it does have reeds, though. The reeds look good. What do we think? What do we think, boys? It looks good. What do you think? Is it savable? Oh, it's scored, eh? Pretty bad. You can see the heat marks. Well, we'll inspect it, throw a ball over it. Okay. Let's go over here. Yeah. Okay. Alright, inspection. Ooh. Damn. Well, it's a bottom end. Fuck. Yeah, because these rings are fine. Sheesh, it's not supposed to do that. Am I cooked, boys? Are we cooked? I think we're cooked. I don't know, let's take this fucking... Ugh. I don't think it's supposed to do that. I definitely think... It's got no up and down play, but it's got back and forth play. And do you think it'll be just so noisy, right? Is that bad? I don't know. It's got no up and down play. What do you all think this is? Let me know in the comments, alright? Alright, thank you.